Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to easily create knuckles in your road plan using civil site design software. Start by opening your CAD software and navigating to the Roads tab. Click on the Network Strings button, select Knuckle and choose the location where you want to create it in your road plan. A settings window will pop up, allowing you to customize the knuckle design. First, name your knuckle for easy access later. Then, choose the adjacent road. You can either pick one from the list or click on the button to select it directly from the road plan, making the process even easier. Now, let's talk about the knuckle types. Knuckle Type 1 is perfect for simple curves at low-speed intersections, offering basic geometry and smooth transitions. Knuckle Type 2 provides more flexibility with multiple radii, making it ideal for larger intersections where smoother turns are needed. Knuckle Type 3 offers the most control, giving you detailed options like tangents and offsets, perfect for complex intersections that need precision. In this tutorial, we'll use the Use Alignment option. This allows you to apply an existing alignment from your project to define the knuckle's geometry. It's an efficient way to ensure the knuckle fits seamlessly into the overall road design. Simply select the alignment name or pick one from the list, then click Create Update Alignment. Afterward, you'll be prompted with the string creation options. Choose your string type and section spacing, make any necessary adjustments, and click Create Update String. Your knuckle will be generated within seconds. Remember, you can always go back and edit the knuckle later. You can also edit the surface by heading to the Surface Manager. You can adjust various options like the interval. After making changes, click Update Display to instantly see your updated design. And there you have it, a tool that makes it easy to create and customize knuckles, ensuring smooth transitions and precise designs in your road plan. Whether you're working with simple curves or complex intersections, Civil Site Design provides everything you need to get the job done efficiently. Contact Present Trade today for a free trial and start exploring these features by yourself.